Kulungile kakhezelana ngesingene kule feature ebengithe sokhuluma ngayo enamandla kakhulu esibiza nge-prophetic wave namhlanje khona la kwi-Vibe 94.7. Yes, of course, the first choice yomphakathi. Now namhlanje I want us sikhulume ngama voices angu-3 of the prophetic. In fact angu-4, but I want us ukuthi focus kuma voices angu-3 ngoba abantu abaningi babe nenkinga ukuthi as much as usho bamadu ukuthi isekhona ivoice kaNkulunkulu and uNkulunkulu ikhona indlela sakwazi ukukhuluma ngayo, especially nabantu aba-prophetic or rather mhlambe naba-prophet, but iyona iphindlela efuneka uqaphele ngayo ukuze ungazitholi ungasayizwa ivoice kaNkulunkulu. Number 1, ama voices angu-4 as much as sokhuluma ngayo 3. Ivoice yokuqala efuneka uyiqaphele ivoice eqhamuka from the evil one, eqhamuka from the evil one, eqhamuka from devil. So when you are prophetic, or rather mhlambe when you prophesy, or rather mhlambe when indlebe yakho ilalela in the realm of the spirit, uSathane na ujwayele ukusebenzisa indlela yakhe yokukwenza ukuthi uend up ungayizwi ivoice kaNkulunkulu kodwa uend up uzwa ivoice kaSathane. Now ivoice yokuqala efanele uyiqaphele ukuthi kune voice kaSathane mangabe prophet engakuhlasela. Now ivoice kaSathane uyibona ngani as umuntu prophetic? No, ivoice kaSathane iyakunikeza ama scriptures but iwa contradict ama scripture. So uma ngabe uprofeta and bese kufika ivoice kaSathane along your prophecies, izofika akutshele into right kodwa ibe inkohliso. So at the later stage uma ngabe uyilalelile ivoice kaSathane leyo nto usukuzozisola ngayo. So ivoice eqhamuka from the evil one, ngisho noma kuthiwa iqhamuke ne scripture kodwa yenza okuphambene nani ne scripture. Angikwenza lesibonelo esingaqhamuka kumprofeti oprofetayo, mhlambe profeta phambi kwebandla. Umprofeti angathi uxola kancane wemaka kambe uthi umambani bese athi umuntu ngumama makhe bese athi umprofeti uthe uNkulunkulu angitshela ukuthi hlukana nomyeni wakho ukuze focus obizweni lakho. Akumanje uyazi ukuthi le prophecy izwakala prophecy evalid, but to be honest ayikho God centered, it come from the evil one, because if voice come from God ayingeke encourage ukuthi hlukana nomngakho ukuze focus obizweni. In other words, so okunokuthi hlukana nomngakho engathi zama ukwenza unkosikazi wakho understand ubizo lakho bese niqhubeka nobabili obizweni. Yabo for the sake ukuthi ithi phambana nama scriptures ngoba iscriptures itokuhlanganiswa uNkulunkulu angabe sahlukaniswa umuntu. For the sake ukuthi ithi phambana ne scripture noma ngathiwa izwakala ivalid kangakanani but ayikho God centered, so it come from the evil one. So uyiqaphela kanjalo ke i-prophecy come from the evil one ukuthi yes iqhamuka engazathi i-positive iyayenza sense kodwa inkinga yayo isuke izokwenza ukuthi kube khona uzozisola egcineni, isakhula sibilo suke prophetwa isuke ezozisola ngenxa ukuthi isingekho God centered, iqhamuka from the evil one, iqhamuka i-right kodwa egcineni izokwenza ukuthi uzisola. Number 2, i-prophecy yesibili iqhamuka from yourself. Kunabantu abaprofetayo kodwa beprofeta ngenxa yezidingo zabo, abanye baprofeta ngenxa yokulangazelela kwabo. Do you understand? So leyo prophecy iqhamuka kuwena. Kunomuntu ongabona ukuthi njengamanje udlula ku-spirit of poverty, then bese eshiya i-message ayenze ibe prophetic message ukuze kugeyine yena. Mhlawumbe uyabona akanazo into azolidla ashintshe kushintsha umayelo konke nama prophecies kubuyele back emalini, end up yonke into all about money, all about money, all about money. So lawo ama-prophecies, so ama-prophecies are self-centered, awekho God-centered, are self-centered. So ngamanye amazwi uprofeta ngenxa yezidingo zakhe. Ngamanye amazwi lama prophecies awakhiphayo akawakhiphi because of ivoice kaNkulunkulu. Ungenxa ukuthi uyawabona ukuthi ninasiphi isidingo, then wayesa profeta according to izidingo zakhe. Omunye mabebona ukuthi ministry yakhe ishona phansi, mhlawumbe abafundisi bakhe abamhloniphi, along the way uzombona esezama indlela zokuthi athola ama-scriptures azovumela ukuthi akakwazi ukudiscipline ama-leaders akhe ebandleni, and umthole futhi nanendlela eseprofeta ngayo akasaprofethi okusho uNkulunkulu, useprofeta ngokudisciplina labantu. I-wrong in the prophecy? No, ayikho wrong, but inkinga ukuthi ilokhuza i-self-centered. So for the sake ukuthi self-centered ayikho God-centered, i-wrong. You understand? So your voice, i-voice kaSathane kufanele uyi-ignore, ungayisebenzisi, and i-voice yakho wena as yourself ungayisebenzisi, ignore, because ayikho God-centered. That's why uJesu ethi kunabantu abayothi inkosi siprofeta iminyaka ngegama lakho, bese athi uJesu no anginazi benzi bokubi, sukani phambi kwami. It's just because bebekade benza besebenzisa igama likaJesu, but ibingekho lento yokuba God-centered. And i-voice yes-3 ebaluleke kakhulu, i-voice eqhamuka from God, eqhamuka from God. So i-voice eqhamuka from God, most of the times wawena mntu oyiprofeta iyakuthusa kawena mprofethi. Most of the times i-prophecy e-God-centered iba nama-scriptures, iba scriptural. Noma angangasho umuntu ukuthi ngokuka Genesis 1 verse number 3, kodwa uzoyiza prophecy yakhe ukuthi no, noma kona engasho ukuthi Genesis 1 verse number 3, but in between there ikhona scripture, sikhona scripture. Ungamuzwa ethi uNkulunkulu uthi akutshela ukuthi let there be the light. You understand? Inganqoqi idonse from the scripture. Yabo? So I contradict ama-scriptures. So futhi iyona ndlela ekusizayo ukujaja iprofesi leyo ukuthi uma ngabe uprofetwa noma uprofeta kawena, icheke iprofesi yakho, le profesi oyireceivayo ukuthi ayiphambani nama-scriptures, because iprofesi akumele iphambane nama-scripture. Once ya contradict ama-scripture ayisekho God-centered. So iprofesi ke yesithathu coming from the voice of God. I-voice of God most of the times ayisho into ethandwa wena as a prophet. I-voice of God most of the times ayikwenzi wena mprofethi ube excited ukuthi uprofethile, ngoba nayo leyo uma uqeda prophet ube excited nayo ufuna siyicheck ngelinye ilanga soyikhuluma ukuthi yini ekwenza ube excited uma uqeda prophet, because as soon as uqeda prophet kukhona into yo bukade release ivoice kaNkulunkulu, and then akubi like easy njengoba usicabanga ukuba easy. Voice number 3 eka God. Mhlawumbe sesifaka nika 4. I-voice number 4, i-voice yama-angels. I-voice yama-angels. I-voice yama-angels ila uNkulunkulu esezethumela khona an angel okhuluma nawe. Ila esezethumela khona an angel okhuluma nawe as a prophet, noma uzothumela an angel ukusebenzisa wena mprofethi ukuprofeta i-message oyi-download noma oyi-receive from the angel. So i-angel ingakhama ngama-forms amaningi kakhulu. I-angel ingakhama ngamaphupho, i-angel ingakhama ngama-visions, i-angel ingakhama ngama-colors. That's why kunama-angels of colors, nama-angels of numbers, kunama-angels of creatures in the prophetic. So ingakhama noma ngayiphi form, but for as long as the message is of you, nakhona futhi kuyafuneka uyibheke ukuthi leyo message ikhama from God.